Welcome to Joe's World. I'm making yams masala curry today. To make this curry, I need elephant yam and green peas. I have cut the elephant yam into cubes and I will pressure cook it. The yam is cooked. Roast the coriander, about 1.5 spoon, and some 4-5 red chilies. Roast the coconut. It's done. Dry roast cinnamon, cardamom, pepper and cloves. Now I'll pressure cook some tomatoes and peas just for about 1 whistle. Add turmeric and salt and then pressure cook it. All the vegetables are cooked. Now I'll add the paste masala. And cook it for 5 minutes. Season it. The yams curry is ready.